Do you want to take your square foot garden to the next level? Well, stick around and I'll show you how. Come on, let's go. Hey, how you doing today? On behalf of the Square Foot Gardening Foundation, I'm Rick Bickling, the How Do Gardener. You know, having a fully producing square foot garden is an amazing thing to experience. But by adding a trellis and taking advantage of the vertical dimension, your square foot garden can be more productive, more convenient, have healthier plants, and just plain look really good. Plants grown vertically take up less space, get more air circulation and sun, and getting them off the ground removes them from close contact with many types of fungi, diseases, and pests that may plague them at ground level. Building a trellis is really very inexpensive and easy to do. At its most basic level, all you really need to do is attach some kind of a frame to the back edge of your square foot garden bed and then add a supporting material into the frame. The frame should be constructed from a material sturdy enough to support the whole trellis and durable enough to last throughout the seasons. Wood 2x4s, electrical conduit, and steel fence posts are some good options. The support material needs to be sturdy enough to support whatever fruit or vegetables you'll be growing on it, and durable enough again to last throughout the seasons. It should also have holes big enough for whatever you're growing to grow through and up on, and for you to reach through to harvest the vegetables. The classic square foot garden trellis, developed by Mel Bartholomew after years of experimentation, is perhaps the best way to support vertical crops, easy to make and inexpensive. Electrical conduit is used to make a frame the width of the bed and around 5 feet tall. The ends of the frame are then fit over ordinary pieces of concrete rebar that have been driven into the ground at the corners of the bed. A nylon mesh net is then tied to the frame. Another great material to use is galvanized cattle panel. It can be cut to size and then attached to whatever frame you may have in place with zip ties. Now be sure to place your trellis on the north-facing side of your square foot garden bed so as not to block the sun from the rest of the bed. Pole beans, peas, cucumbers, melons, pumpkins, squash, and even tomatoes will thrive growing up a trellis. So get out there, get creative, and just grow up. Visit our website at squarefootgardening.org.